NTPC Green Energy incorporated in April 2022. This company has now reached a significant milestone by announcing its IPO in November 2024. NTPC Green Energy Ltd, a fully owned subsidiary of NTPC Ltd, is set to launch an IPO worth 10,000 crores. NTPC Ltd, the parent organization, has invested 7,500 crores into NTPC Green Energy to accelerate the growth of clean energy initiatives in India. With the announcement of this IPO, we will delve deep into NTPC Green Energy Ltd in this video. We'll cover the objectives behind the IPO, shareholder allotments, financial performance, future plans, IPO details, and more. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the 1111 Make Money YouTube channel for timely updates on stocks, IPOs, and market news. NTPC Green Energy Ltd is currently the largest renewable energy public sector enterprise by operational capacity as of the 30th of September 2024. The company's core mission is to develop key renewable energy projects in India and supply clean power to both public sector units and private corporations. Their energy is delivered directly to the grid, powering public utilities and government organizations. The company ensures stability in its operations through long-term power purchase agreements, PPAs, for many of its projects. Their portfolio includes a mix of solar, floating solar, wind, energy storage, hybrid power, and other green energy solutions. The company predominantly focuses on solar and wind energy, with 16896 megawatts of solar and wind projects across various Indian states. By the end of September 2024, the company had 17 clients, spanning 41 solar projects and 11 wind projects. Now let's explore the financial highlights. For FY24, NTPC Green Energy recorded a revenue of 2037 crores. Its net profit stood at 344.72 crores in FY24, nearly doubling the figure from FY23. Looking ahead, the company's strategic priorities include expanding its project portfolio through strategic partnerships and well-planned bidding, venturing into new energy solutions such as green hydrogen, green chemicals, and energy storage, enhancing cost efficiency in project execution and maintenance, supporting India's sustainability goals by scaling its renewable energy efforts. Here are the key details of the IPO. The subscription window is open from the 19th of November to the 22nd of November 2024. The issue size is 10,000 crores, entirely a fresh issue. The IPO price band is set between 102 and 108 per equity share, with 138 shares forming one lot. NTPC Ltd shareholders are allocated a quota worth 1,000 crores. The record date to qualify for the shareholder quota is 12 November 2024. If you own NTPC Ltd shares in your demat account on or before this date, you'll be eligible for the Shareholder Reservation. The proceeds from the IPO will be used to invest in NTPC Renewable Energies Ltd, a wholly owned subsidiary, repay or prepay certain outstanding loans, meet other corporate expenses. These were the key details about NTPC Green Energy Ltd and its upcoming IPO. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. Share this video with your network, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates.